Welcome back to ChatUP POS training series. In this video, we'll focus on product management. From categories, attributes, and units, all the way to the product library, packages, and materials. This will set the stage for building your full product menu. First, let's set up product attributes. From the product menu, select Product Attributes. This feature lets you add extra options to your menu, like size, sweetness, ice level, or toppings. So orders are more flexible and customizable for your customers. To add one, click New. Enter the attribute name, then choose whether it's mandatory for customers to pick, and whether they can choose multiple attributes. Next, add the attribute values, give each one a name, and set an extra price if needed. Now, here's an important note. These extra charges won't be included in limited time discounts. You can also decide whether this attribute should consume materials from your inventory. Or, if you haven't set up materials yet, you can always return and update this later. Add as many values as you like, and once everything looks good, click Confirm to save. After saving, attributes can always be reordered, edited, or deleted at any time. Let's set up product categories. These are mainly for internal management and financial profit accounting within the store, helping you organize products and track performance more effectively. To create one, click Create, type in the category name, and hit Confirm. You can drag and drop to reorder categories, or edit and delete them at any time. And if you have a long list, just use the search bar to quickly find categories by name. Similar to product categories, we also have menu classification. The difference is, menu classifications are what customers and cashier will see on the ordering interface. The setup process is the same. Click Create, enter the category name, and confirm. You can reorder them by dragging, or edit and delete whenever needed. Here, you can also toggle the status. Turning a classification on will make it visible on the menu, while switching it off will hide it from customers. And of course, search makes it easy to find the right classification quickly. With this in place, your menu will be neatly organized, both for your staff at the POS and for customers placing orders. Next is the product library. This is where all your products are stored and managed. Think of it as your complete product database. Before adding a new product, you can first set up specifications. To do this, click Specification. Then click Add. Enter the specification name, such as size, and then add the specification values like small, medium, large. Specifications can affect the final price, and unlike product attributes, these prices can still be included in limited time discounts. Once your specifications are ready, click Create to create a product. First, enter the basic information by choosing whether it's a finished product or a product that requires some processing. Then, fill in product name, select the product category you've set earlier, add a product code or barcode, and select the unit of measurement, like cup or box. If your product has an order unit, for example, 1 box of donuts containing 6 pieces, you can set that here as well. If needed, you can also define the product's shelf life. Next, upload the product's main image, add more details and pictures in the carousel. Then, under Sales Setting, set whether the product is already available for sale or not yet on sale. You can also enter the display name for the menu, assign it to one of menu categories, and add a product description. If required, choose whether the system should print a small label after each order. After that, configure the specification information by choosing single or multiple specification. If there are multiple specifications, you'll need to select them and enter the reference price and cost price for each. You can also add product attributes like toppings or sweetness by selecting from the ones you've created earlier. Finally, you can set up stock notifications by defining safe stock limits, both lower and upper thresholds, so you'll know when inventory is running too low or getting too high. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. Or, if you'd like, you can confirm and directly assign a product to stores in one step. Once a product is created, you can assign it to specific stores or sales channels in assigned stores. From there, you have full control over where the product appears. You can individually set the shelf status to up or down for each store or channel, making it easy to manage what's available. Just remember to set the shelf status to up for your offline stores, which is your POS system, so the product can be sold directly through the POS interface. Then, you can also set different prices for each store or channel, giving you room for adjustment. To keep your workflow smooth, the system also supports batch shelf goods, batch sold out, and batch edit price, saving you time and effort when managing large menus. Let's start with batch shelf goods. Here, you can select the sales channels where you want the items to appear. And once you're ready, just click Confirm. The same process applies to batch sold out, allowing you to quickly update product availability across multiple channels at once. Next, we move on to batch edit price. Choose the platform you want to adjust, then enter the new price. And to make things even simpler, just click Batch Edit at the bottom to apply the update in one go. Remember to make full use of the search and filter tools to help you find the right stores. And here's an important feature: sales restrictions. You can set rules such as the maximum quantity allowed in a single order, the maximum number a store can sell in a day, or even limit sales to certain time periods. These rules can also be applied only to specific stores or specific channels, giving you full control over how and where a product is sold. Searching is also flexible. You can filter products by name, category, sales channel, on, off-shelf status, or whether it's currently on sale. You can also copy or edit anytime. Let's set up product materials, the raw ingredients and components that power your inventory and cost tracking. Product materials are set up the same way as products in the product library, but without any sales configuration. You can first configure the specifications, just like in the product library. Then, to add a new material, click Create. Enter the basic information and specification details, and click Confirm. Materials can also be edited or deleted at any time, and you can quickly find them by searching with product name or code, or filtering by product classification. Once your products and materials are ready, the next step is package management. This is where you bundle items together to offer to customer. To create a new bundle, click Create. Start by entering the basic details such as package name, package code, main image, carousel pictures, and select the package type. If it's a fixed package, click Create Goods. Choose the products you want to include, and set their quantities. If it's an optional package, first create a group name. Then add product options within that group along with their quantities. You can also create multiple groups if needed. Once the contents are set, decide whether the package is available for sale. Assign it to menu categories. Set a reference price, and add a product description. When everything is ready, click Confirm to save the package. After creating a package, you can bulk list or unlist it. Search and filter by package type or sales status. Copy or edit packages. Assign them to stores, and even set sales limits, just like with individual products. Next, let's look at product units. By default, the system provides several unit options, though these have limited editing access. If you need additional units, simply click Create, choose the unit type, and enter the unit name. Once done, click Confirm to save. Now that you've learned how to set up and manage your products, materials, and packages, it's time to take things further. In the next part, we'll dive into marketing and promotion settings, helping you attract more customers and boost sales with discounts, campaigns, and special offers.